think you're really awesome. You're welcome. Hey guys, it's Tori. Yes, I really did just open the door and tell somebody that they're awesome because you need to let people know that. So we just went thrifting. So here's some footage about that. What is this?
Oh my gosh.
It works, right? The best option. Say my shirt because it matches out. I'm genuinely confused about this. Oh wow. Like, I don't want to put my head in this. Guys. We want to get an apartment together, so we're like looking at all these cute apartment things. Look at these bowls. Aren't they adorable? It's a set and it's only for $2. That's what thrifting does. It's nice. Oh, why are you crying?
Because I had like 10 assignments too.
Finding anything good?
Totally.
It's so cute. We're both gonna get matching shirts. I think it would be pretty lit. Oh gosh, that guy just looked at me like I was crazy. This is honestly me on a personal level.
I always wanted a sippy mason jar. Why would you need that?
You don't need that.
You don't need that.
I really didn't need that.
But it's so cool. I just think it's really funny that this would be like in a thrifting store. You can find treasures here. We're working out here. Honestly, thrifting just, I don't know, like this is my first time like being in an actual thrift store besides Plato's Closet, and I'm really kind of digging it. I'm just like blown away. Thrifting is life now. We're never going back. And then now we're going to Walmart because we're gonna make some homemade pizza because pizza is delicious. Me too. I love you people. I don't even know you.
I don't like my face.
You don't like your face? Well, that's what God gave you, so you need to just deal with it, woman. Jesus, Jesus! You make the darkness tremble, Jesus! This is so much fun! Help me. What are you guys doing in the baby section?
So cute. It's a Lion King.
What?
Look, I saw you. Come here, come here.
I'm not even in college, but I'm hanging out with college students and they're just looking at baby stuff. I really think they're ready to move on in their life.
I'm not ready to have a kid.
Hi. We just have our groceries. There we go. And they're just searching for baby stuff, so I'm staying with the groceries. We're here to look at pajama pants. Oh, I need it. Okay, we know you need it. You need a donut too. It's no, it says it on the shirt.
You're gluten-free, so it doesn't really help.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
There's such things as gluten-free donuts, okay? Somewhere.
Hi. So we are here and we are cooking some homemade pizza crust. You look so confused right now. Hi. We also got this pan from Walmart. It was 88 cents. We'll just pray it doesn't burn. Cooking. She bought her a coffee mug. Making ourselves dinner at what time? 8:16. We always tend to eat dinner at like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's normal for us.
Oh, you're not gonna have sugar in yours, Victoria?
If I had sugar, honey, I would be bouncing off of walls.
Sugar, sugar. I gotta put that song on. Sugar. Honey, honey.
hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below. Down there. Yeah! And I will see you in next week's video. So see you later. Bye!
You steal the air out of my lungs, you make me feel it. I pray forever.